What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we got my buddy Peter and his FISKER KARMA.
Hey, what's up?
So like you can see, the design-wise, it's a really awesome car. It has 22-inch rims, front and back. The first thing you can tell right away or see, the paint. It's ridiculous. It has so much shine in it and so much sparkle. It's ridiculous. It looks really awesome in the sun. So first, when the car came out, it was over $100,000, so it's pretty expensive toy. The values went down big time, so I think right now we can pick one up for under $40,000. And I would say you don't see too many of those on the street, so I'd say it's pretty nice car to have. For sure, you get a lot of attention in this car. So it's pretty much a 99-year-old car, but design-wise, I would say it looks timeless. It looks really awesome. So let's see what else is here. So you got engine up front. It can be powered by both. So it's pretty much like hybrid. The range on the batteries, it's around 50 miles. That's pretty cool quirk. That you got exhaust right here from the front engine. Oh, actually, maybe. Oh yeah, it's right here on the bottom. I think a lot of people were complaining about exhaust fumes going inside the cabin whenever you're sitting at the stoplight with open window. Is it true or
no?
You got solar panel on the roof, and that powers pretty much only heating and air conditioning.
Yep.
Also,
when the car is turned off.
Yeah, so that saves you a little bit of the battery. Of course, the doors are frameless, and I gotta say the inside looks really upscale. You got nice two-tone leather seats. The color combination is real nice. I'd say it's like dark brown with the light brown. So the steering wheel has a pretty nice design. Everything was designed by FISKER. You can tell right away that the guy knows what he's doing. The center tunnel has the batteries inside, so that's why it's kind of beefy in there, but this way you got the floor really low to the ground. Okay, so we got pretty much only Alcantara, like you can see on the roof, on the pillars. Then you got the leather on the dashboard, on the steering wheel, and you got the pretty cool wood finish over here. Okay, so let's check out the key. The key, it's, I would say, on the bigger side. Gauges are digital. They look real nice, really upscale. You got real nice and pretty big display in the middle. So it shows you stealth mode, shows you what's going on over here with the car, the range and stuff like that. The shifter is pretty awesome in this car. You got, it looks like a diamond shaped. So you got a couple buttons over here: parking, neutral, drive, and reverse. And it's pretty awesome because every single time when you press each gear, you got like a light over here, and I got pretty cool mosquito in there. I got a window sticker. Oops. And let's see what it says over here. Let me go outside because it's pretty hot. Oh. The car was designed and engineered in California by FISKER and his team, but it was assembled in I'm not sure if I want to pronounce the city. Finland. Engine USA, transmission Mexico. So seems like pretty good combination, right? So MSRP was $103,000. The $3,000 option that was for paint and interior package, $2,000, $5,000 for the options, handling and shipping $950, so total $110,000. So a little pricey. if you buy a new one, which you can't anymore. Let's check out the back seat. So you can see it's pretty tight in here. I would say it's a car for two adults and kids. Everything looks nice. Everything's covered in leather. You got real nice trim in the middle. Also got glass. You got two cup holders, and on the back you got USB port, and you got 12 volt. That looks pretty nice. Sounds like an electric car, so you got a sound for pedestrians so people can hear the car coming. The wheels are pretty big, they're 22-inch, and even got Brembo brakes. They also look pretty big. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I would say it's gonna be six piston brake. Okay, so you got second exhaust on the other side. You can see again the solar panel, FISKER Automotive. So let's go inside and then let's take it for a spin, see how it drives. Okay, so let's see how the shifter works. So press D. Okay. Alright, so Peter just told me that the weight of the car is pretty significant, 5,600 pounds. So it's pretty heavy. I'd say probably heavier than my pickup truck, but you don't feel that. You get 1,000 foot-pound of torque, so I'd say it has a lot of power. And it goes when you step on it. I'm not sure if it's Tesla power. What would you say? No, it's not. It's not. But it's 400 horses from the electric engine. You can see the wheel arches, they're sticking out quite a bit. So it feels like you'll be driving a Batmobile. Goes. I just noticed that it's a pretty cool button over here for a glove compartment. It shows glove over here, so that's kind of neat. The finish looks real awesome. Even the glove compartment underneath, it's all covered in leather. Real nice. And actually, it's kind of roomy inside. I'm a 6'4". Let me go on all the way down. I'm a 6'4", so I got still a little bit of headroom. It's pretty comfy. Very comfortable car. The suspension is pretty comfortable. Alright, so let's switch to GoPro. Oh. Sounds pretty good. So all of the controllers are in the display, right? Yep. The climate, phone, navigation. It's missing only one thing, the cool seats. That'll be a pretty nice feature. The center console, it's pretty bulky, but it's pretty comfy. You don't feel too claustrophobic over here. Street. You got the engine up front. Yes, we got 2-liter turbocharged engine that's made by GM. Okay, so the turbo is right here. Thanks, Peter, for showing your car. If you want to see some more videos with the Karma, or have some deep questions about it, probably Peter can answer it. So hopefully you enjoy the video, and see you in the next one.